Situated on more than 750 acres of private ranch land and backing to the White River National Forest, you'll find Summit Sky Ranch. Dating back to the 1860s as a homestead and formerly known as Maryland Creek Ranch, today this area is home to some of the most modern luxury homes in Silverthorne, Colorado. The contemporary design of the homes blends indoor and outdoor living with clean lines and plenty of natural light. And there's an incredible variety of amenities on site, so there's something for everyone at Summit Sky Ranch. Hey, it's Pete Deininger with the Breck Life Group, and today I'm excited to share with you a beautifully designed and finished home at 11 Glazer Trail. And after we see the home, we'll tour some of the amenities that make owning at Summit Sky Ranch so inviting. Let's take a look at the home. 11 Glazer Trail is the last home on this small private drive, and that means a little bit more privacy and quiet than most of the homes in the neighborhood. And because this private drive is elevated above the main road, it means your mountain views from the home are forever protected. Let's step inside the house for our tour. We're here on the main level of the home, and what you'll immediately find is one of my favorite floor plans in all of Summit Sky Ranch. It is thoughtfully designed so the kitchen, dining, and living areas are separate from the two suites here in the home. And these large, oversized windows really welcome in all that natural light that we're known for with more than 300 days of sun here in Colorado. The gourmet chef in your family is going to love how the kitchen is open to the dining room and living area so that they feel a part of all the action here in the home. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and more than 3,100 square feet of luxury living space. You'll find 2 bedrooms on each of the 2 levels of the home. There's a downstairs second entertainment area that serves as game room and theater room. And the attached 2-car garage offers plenty of storage space for all those toys, skis, bikes, snowboards, kayaks, whatever your adventure entails. Whether you're living here full-time or vacationing here multiple times per year, this main floor living area is perfect for entertaining or relaxing by the fireplace. When I asked the sellers about their favorite memories from the home, they immediately told stories of time spent here outside, whether it was toasting marshmallows around the fire pit or relaxing with a glass of wine in front of the outdoor fireplace. This is where memories are made. But people come to the mountains for adventure, and there is no shortage of adventure at the Summit Sky Ranch. There are miles of hiking and biking trails in the summer. Those trails double as cross-country ski and snowshoe trails in the winter. If you like paddleboarding and kayaking, there is a 20-acre private lake. And for the anglers, you're gonna love world-class fishing on the private 7-acre stretch of the Blue River. The Aspen House is the centerpiece that really fosters community here at Summit Sky Ranch. This is where everyone gathers. You'll enjoy the 2 hot tubs, this heated outdoor pool open 365 days a year. There's the fitness center, the wellness studio for yoga classes, read a book in the library, or take in the big game in the recreation room, complete with self-serve beer and wine taps. The Aspen House is where neighbors become friends. Well, that wraps up our tour of Summit Sky Ranch and 11 Glazer Trail. Reach out if you've got questions about the home, you'd like to schedule a private tour, or if you'd like to learn more about how vacation rentals can offset your lifestyle investment here in Summit County.